Hello everyone. I often create videos on design mistakes as I believe raising awareness is one of the best ways to help. But today I will discuss some blunders that we commonly make while designing the kitchen, and later we had no other options but to accept it and suffer it lifelong. Please watch this video till the end, understand each blunder, and don't repeat it in your own kitchen. If this content reaches a wider audience, we might set a new trend where these mistakes become a thing of the past. So let's jump to the video. Making cabinets under counter. Making cabinets below kitchen counter is a big blunder. Normally the depth of kitchen counter is 22 to 24 inches. It is not at all accessible till this depth. And if there is shelf in between, then you have to almost lie down on floor to access the lowermost shelf. The best option is to put only pull-out drawer below counter. It may incur some additional cost, but what is the point making a space which is of no use? Using telescopic channel for drawers. Telescopic channel is designed to take subtle load like paper, documents, cloths, accessories, etc. In kitchen, we keep heavy utensils. This demands a robust quad rail system. It can take 60 to 80 kilograms loads as per specification and runs very smoothly. No doubt it is costlier than channel, but you can make bigger drawer with it. That reduces the number of channel and the raw material to make the carcasses. Moreover, big drawer enhances the beauty and cleanliness in kitchen. Longer run, it reduces the maintenance cost as well. The next blunder in the list is using high-gloss laminates in the bottom counter as well. Putting high-gloss laminates on the overhead cabinets makes sense. It reflects the ceiling lights, easy to clean the oily dirt that sticks with fumes during cooking, and are less prone to scratches. But none of the above reasons apply for the bottom counter. Moreover, it reflects the floor and doesn't give a premium look despite the extra expense. Hiding sink collar below counter stone. It is a detailing issue. When we put the sink first and then fix the counter stone to hide its collar, it gives a very pleasant look. And sweeping any water droplets from counter to sink is very easy. But the painful part is, you cannot seal the joints, and always some water seeps through the joints into the wooden cabinets below and deteriorate it slowly. So always fix the countertop stone first, make a depression for the collar by grinding, and then fix the sink. Opt for standard counter height. We never give much attention to the counter height during design of the kitchen, and most of the time it has been derived from the standards, follows in any region. However, the counter height should always be tailored to the prime user of the kitchen. Low counter forces you to bend while high counter obstruct the view of cooking pan. The height of counter should be 150 millimeters below the elbow height of the user. It can vary from 870 millimeters to 1000 millimeters depending on the height of the user. Not including the serving top. In kitchen design, we accommodate space for washing, preparation, cooking, and appliances. However, design countertop space for placing cooked food is often overlooked. And by the time we finish cooking, either our kitchen counter is fully occupied or we use the dining table as the serving platform. Designate a space specifically for serving is a wise decision, which can also double up as a breakfast counter. If space is a constraint, consider a detachable counter. Opting for flat hood instead of tapered one. Bottom height of hood is kept 24 to 30 inch above the counter. If your hood is a flat model, it comes before the head for taller individuals and distracts the vision. While tapered hood gradually comes forward and never obstructs the viewing angle. Opt for split AC in the kitchen. Air conditioner never works in the kitchen. If it sucks the kitchen air, filters clog in no time. So if you are from a region where AC is must, opt for a ductable unit which can suck air from other areas in the house. This type of AC can be placed above false ceiling. Putting solid shutter for overhead cabinets. From user perspective, visibility for frequently used items is very essential. It's helpful to have glass shutters for overhead cabinets, particularly for spices. It saves time and prevents unnecessary searches mid-cooking. These are some key blunders to avoid for a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.